Hi friends, this is called the turkey trot hunt. You can take this outside and do this. You can take it inside and do it. You can go online and look for different pictures. But this is a fun way to do a project with your whole family. This one says an orange pumpkin. When you find an orange pumpkin, you mark the box. An acorn, yellow leaf, mushroom, hay, squirrel, snail, white pumpkin, orange leaf, pine cone, clouds, red leaf, spider, boots, feather, twig, apple, brown leaf, football, pile of leaves, owl, spider webs, scarecrow, and bird. There's a lot of things to look for, and if you don't find everything, that's okay. Have fun with it. Bye, friends.